friends, welcome to BGRCommerceHub. My name is Santosh. So in this video, we are mainly going to focus on foreign exchange, how to maintain multi-currencies, in the tally, how to maintain multi-currencies in the tally. Why the multi-currencies are required? Why the multi-currencies are required? First, we should understand the concept, how the business, how the transactions will happen in the international business transactions, how the accounting should be done in the international business transactions when you are having foreign clients or foreign vendors, how to deal with them. Suppose my company is a Bargo Exports Private Limited. My company is a Bargo Exports Private Limited. This is my company, Bargo Exports Private Limited. So I'm having some clients. In USA. I'm having some clients in USA. So I'm doing local business and also I'm doing some foreign exports. My sales, foreign exports. Some clients are in USA. For example, George Nayan. He is my client who is located in USA. I will export the goods to this party. Another client is Joseph LLC. It is also my client. I will export the goods to these two parties from India. My company is an Indian company. Now, how the billing, how the sales invoice should be raised to these companies, these parties, foreign clients. See, first of all, we will take some example. For example, on 1/5/2022, I'm taking May month example. On 1/5/2022, suppose my product, some pharma product. Take any pharma product, for example, or take simple example. My business is a shades business. I will export Indian shades to the USA. For example, product means shades. My product is shades. Simple example I'm taking. Product is any pharma product. See, product is that is a simple example. Anything you can take. Product is shades. Now I'm selling 100 shades. To this party. Who is the party? George Nayan. Each chair I'm selling at rupees $20. Correct or not? Each chair I'm selling to foreign client at $20 each chair. $20 each chair. Okay. On 1/5/2022, I have to pass the sales invoice into the tally, but I have to enter the figures in the dollars. But what is my base currency? My company base currency. This is called base currency. My company base currency is INR, Indian rupees. My company base currency is Indian rupees. This is my company, Indian company. My company base currency is Indian rupees, INR. But when come to foreign transactions, I have to raise my foreign bill in the dollars. I have to raise my sales invoice in the dollars. Correct? So how to do? Okay, this entry you have to pass in the tally. What are the settings you have to do in the tally? First setting, you have to activate multi-currency. First setting, you have to create multi-currencies. Step 1, create multi-currencies. How many currencies you are dealing? For example, I taken only one example, dollars. Suppose you are exporting to different countries like Singapore dollars, like European euros, like that. You can create any currencies. How many countries you are dealing? So presently I'm creating only dollar. I'm dealing with only US country. I'm creating dollar. Create multi currencies. Step 2. Maintain exchange rates. Maintain exchange rates. What is the meaning of exchange rate? Exchange rate means what is the dollar rate today on this transaction date. So exchange rate on 1/5/2022. Exchange rate on 1/5/2022 is, for example, 80 rupees. Exchange rate INR to dollar. INR to dollar. INR to dollar as on today is 80 rupees. INR to dollar as on today is 80 rupees. So now this sales invoice have to rise. See, I am selling 100 chairs to the party. Each chair is $20. Now, what is the exchange rate today as per sales invoice date? 80 rupees dollar exchange rate. Okay. Now, so what is the next you can do? Simply next what you can do, step 3, you can pass sales voucher. But at the time of passing of sales voucher, you have to enter the amount in the dollars. You have to enter the amount in the dollars. You already maintained the currency, dollar currency in the tally. You already maintained exchange rate also. Okay. This is step 3. Sales invoice is over. How to print a sales invoice? How to print sales invoice? How to print sales invoice? How to print sales invoice? The sales invoice should be printed both in Indian currency and dollars. Mainly it will be printed in dollars, but Indian currency amount should also appear in the bottom of the screen. How to print sales invoice? You have to do step 4. You have to do step 4. How to print sales invoice in dollars? In dollars. How to print sales invoice in dollars? How to print sales invoice in dollars? See, if you give in Indian rupees, the party will not accept. Give the sales invoice in dollars, then only the party will accept. Okay, sales invoice also given to the party in dollars. Next, what is the step 5? You receive the amount. You received the amount. On which date you received the amount? For example, on 20/05/2022, you received. You after 20 days. 20 days credit period had given, because it will take time to go to reach the ship to USA. After reaching the only they will make the payment as per your agreement. So on 25/2022, you received how many dollars you received? The party will transfer. How many dollars the party will transfer? 100 chairs into $20 each chair. So what is the amount you will receive? How many dollars you will receive? You will receive $2,000. The party will transfer the dollars to you. So on 25/2022, you received $2,000. You received $2,000 from party. You received $2,000 from party. Now the question is, now the problem is, on this date, what is the dollar rate? This dollar rate, this dollar will be automatically converted into Indian rupees. It will be deposited into your bank account, correct or not? So what is the dollar rate? On which date you have to see the dollar rate? On 25/2022, on 25/2022, INR to dollar, INR to dollar is 80. INR to dollar rate is only 78 rupees. Your dollar rate is you are giving less amount. Your dollar rate is 78. See, at the time of export, your dollar rate is 80 rupees, but at the time of receipt, your dollar rate is only 78. That means you are getting less amount when compared to your sales amount. See, what is the entry you booked at the time of sales in Indian currency? What is the amount you have to receive as per your ledger? So how much amount? $2,000 into 80 rupees. So this is the sales amount you booked already, correct or not? So what is the amount? Party account data to sales account. Party account data to sales account. What is the amount you booked to a party ledger at the time of sales? 1,60,000. 1,60,000. Party account data to sales account 1,60,000. At the time of sales, you booked this amount to the party, including dollars also. See, in Indian rupees and dollars, both you have to maintain at the time of sales. But how much amount you are receiving? Receipt. This is sales. This is sales entry. This is sales entry. But how much amount you received on this date? $2,000 into what is the amount you received? Only 78 rupees you received. So what is the amount you received? 2,000 into 78. Only you received 1,56,000. Only you received 1,56,000. So what is the entry you have to pass? Bank account data to party account. What is the party? Who is the party? charge 9. Bank account data to party account. How much you received only? You received only 1,56,000. Actually, how much amount you have to receive from that party? 1,60,000. How much you received? Only 1,56,000. Party had given $2,000 to you. Party is not due anything amount to you. It is already settled $2,000. Where is the problem? The problem is because of foreign exchange. Foreign exchange loss. Foreign exchange loss. How much loss is there in the foreign exchange? 1,60,000 actually you have to receive. You received only 1,56,000. Now, if you go to party ledger, which party? Charge 9. If you go to party ledger, charge 9. Ledger means you will have both debit and credit. Debit, credit. If you go to party ledger, see at the time of sales, what is the journal entry you passed? So by credit, by party, correct, by sales account, correct or not? No, to sales account. To sales account. To sales account, how much? 1,60,000. Party is debited with 1,60,000. What is the credit? By bank. How much you received by bank? How much you received by bank? Only 1,56,000. So what is the ledger balance? 1,60,000 minus 1,56,000. What is the difference? 4,000. This difference we will call as a foreign exchange loss. This difference we will call as a foreign exchange loss. This difference we will call as a foreign exchange loss. Foreign exchange loss. This loss you have to book into the tally. This loss you have to book into the tally. You have to configure all these steps into the tally. You have to configure all these steps into the tally. So the system will automatically calculate the foreign exchange loss 4,000 rupees into this party account. Into this account. So if you go to the ledger of this party, charge 9, 4,000 rupees will be unaccounted foreign exchange loss. This loss you have to transfer to profit and loss account. So these are the process you have to do if you are dealing with imports and exports business. As an accountant, you should have the knowledge of foreign exchange accounting, how to maintain multi currencies. Now, at the time of creating this party ledger, you have to create the party ledger. This ledger you have to maintain in which currency? Dollars. At the time of this party ledger creation, you have to give the dollar ledger currency. Ledger currency you have to select dollar. But what is your company base currency? INR. But this party ledger I have to maintain in which currency? Dollars. So these entire steps you have to configure tally. Then you will get a perfect every month you have to close foreign exchange loss. What is the every month? Because MNCs, multinational companies, stock exchange listed companies, every month has to prepare the balance sheet. Every month they have to prepare profit and loss account. How much loss is there in this month? Foreign exchange loss or gain? Every month you have to take the printout of. So you can take the printout reports. What the management is expecting reports from you? Foreign exchange loss statement or gain statement. Foreign exchange gain or loss statement. Foreign exchange gain or loss statement. This report you have to give to the management every month, and whatever foreign exchange loss or gain you have to transfer to profit and loss account. You have to transfer to profit and loss account by debiting to this party. Now, how this foreign exchange loss should be adjusted? You have to transfer to profit and loss account. How to transfer to profit and loss account? Simple. Foreign exchange loss account data to party account. What is the entry you have to pass? Foreign exchange loss account data. Foreign exchange loss account data to who is the party? George Nayan. Foreign exchange loss account data to George Nayan. So for this purpose, you have to create one ledger, foreign exchange loss. You have to create under indirect expenses. That ledger you have to activate in the journal voucher. That ledger you have to activate in the JV, journal voucher. This is the total configuration you have to do in the tally to get foreign exchange gain or loss statement every month from the tally report. So what are the steps you have to follow? Multi-currencies. You have to create multi-currencies first. So what is your company? Indian company, Bargo Exports Private Limited. what is your currency, how you are maintaining your books of accounts. I'm maintaining my books of accounts in the Indian rupees. My base currency is Indian rupees. But some clients are there. For that clients, I have to maintain the ledgers in the foreign currency. I will deal with them with foreign currency. I will purchase in, I will sell the goods to the party in dollars. I will receive the amount in dollars. That's why I have to maintain different currencies, multi currencies. How to create multi currencies, how to maintain exchange rates. Every day you have to maintain exchange rates in the Tally. Or you can enter manual exchange rates also at the time of sales vouchers and receipts and payments also. So you can pass sales voucher. You can take the printout of the sales invoice series. You can take the printout of the sales invoice series in dollars. So if you receive the dollars from the party, that receipt amount also you have to enter into dollars. So any foreign exchange loss or gain from different parties, some debtors or some creditors, whatever may be. It may be through debtors or it may be through creditors. What is the creditor? Suppose you purchased the goods, vendors, foreign vendors. You are purchasing the goods from foreign. There will be foreign vendors also. Same treatment you have to give for foreign vendors also. Sundry creditors, foreign vendors. So this we will see in the next video, how to do the configuration of the multi-currencies, how to maintain exchange rates, how to enter sales vouchers in the foreign currency, multi-currencies. You can maintain any currencies like Singapore dollars, US dollars, European currency, euros, dinars, whatever may be, Dubai dinars, whatever may be. So you can maintain with the concept of multi-currencies in the Tally Prime. If you go to Tally Prime, so whenever you create the company, if you go to company creation, suppose Bhargav Exports Private Limited, So my state is Telangana. My company is located in Telangana. Here you are giving your base currency. What is the base currency you are giving? Rupees. Correct or not? Base currency symbol, rupee symbol, INR. What is our base currency? INR, Indian rupees. Now you are maintaining your books of accounts in the INR, Indian currency. But if I do the transactions with some other currency, that is called multi-currencies. That is called other than base currency, multi-currencies. Now you have to create that multi-currencies. Suppose if you are having a foreign company, sir, my company is also having some brands. My company is also having some subsidiary companies in Dubai. You have to select base currency, different currency. If you want to create new company for subsidiary company. So in this way, you have to treat the foreign currency transactions. Basic idea, I think you got on this foreign currency transactions. In the next sessions, you will learn how to create multi-currencies, how to pass the entries. So like that, you will get in the next sessions. So thank you. Bye.